Good morning. This will be my presentation for Design Studio 3, Task 3. We are required to do a maquette at a site located at Kajang. I would like to start my presentation by introducing my building, Flow, a maquette for the community around Kajang to represent the idea and togetherness in one. It is to show the diversity and smoothness in the communication in the Kajang society. Moving on is the design intention, concept and progress of my building. The first image shows a curve. This is inspired by the natural element that is found in the site, which is the river. Hence, the curved shape of the building is implemented into the building. Next is how I wanted to show the flow via circulation of human. This will show that it's allowing the human to walk around freely, but it's still controlled through the orientation of the furnitures, for example the booth. Next is the zone splitting, which is splitted to three categories: public, semi-public, and also a private area. This is to allow different privacy in the building for customers or visitors, and also the office workers in the market. Next off, the sun orientation. Sun travel from east to west. So I designed my building in orientation to the sun orientation. This will allow different parts of the building to be used at different type of time. For example, in the morning, the top area as shown in the diagram now, it's shaded, and in the evening, there's the optimum level of natural light entering to the building. This is to reduce the amount of artificial light that is used in the building. Next, the final form of the building. It is split into two categories. One, which is an open space that allows free flow of circulation of human. Two is more of a rigid structure for the private area. In this diagram, the circulation of entry and exit for the visitors is shown in the diagram. Yellow line is how they enter to the building and how they travel inside the building, and then when they exit is shown as in the red line. There are a few case studies that I did, but these two are the one that I use the most for my building. Temporary site of Shanglin Market, designed by Lower Studio. Their usage of glass to allow natural light to come into the building inspired me to do a more open space area that allows natural light to come in instead of using artificial lights. On the next case study that I did is Old Spatialfield Market Holdings. This building has inspired me to have a more rigid structure, but yet still allows the visitors of this building to enjoy it more fluently in the circulation. This is my final drawing for the floor plan of my building. The market, where all of them gathers around and buy their things. Indoor market, mostly for the food and dry products. Toilet. Office is for the workers, for them to have a station. Surau for Malay prayers. Parkings, all the car parks will be parked here. And outdoor sittings. All these outdoor sittings will be used for the public. These are some views of my market in the final rendering.